Welcome to a week in my life. It is the 12th of November. Jelly has very politely offered to carry Smita's birthday present for me to the car. I love you. Bye. Hey, don't put mask on my hand, cutie. So I am with my mask sitting in the car on my way to Smita's house. Neetu's birthday is today and I have her gift here with me. I almost couldn't make it today because I haven't been feeling too well since morning. I have a slightly upset tummy, but I am going. I actually have been putting her hamper together for the past week. There's a lot of makeup in here. There's some skincare. There's a little note. There's Farsali, which I actually bought 5 of for like different gifting purposes when there was a sale going on Nykaa at some point. So I put one of those in here. I'm excited to give this to her. She also wanted to try out the essence, so I put that in here as well. Yep, let's get driving and head to Neetu's. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Happy birthday to you. I know we look like we're getting down in like pajamas, and we sort of are, but we have no plans for tonight. We're going to Mom's house, but first stop is gonna be to go and give the mithai to the staff in the building that is there right now on duty. Baki ki ko hum kal de denge. But we're clearly not dressed festively, G.
You're in your pajamas, I'm not.
I mean, you're also very cash. You can't see me smiling, I just realized. Oh god.
Stand up. Stand up. 1, 2, 3. Yes. Put your legs around my waist. And should we go hopping?
I can't. Best. Show your magic trick. Oh my god, you ate your thumb! Hi guys, welcome to a week in my life vlog. I need to go and do some minimal glam. Kafi thaki bhi lag rahi hu. Be back in a second. Okay, hi G. My mask is in my hand. We're in the lift, so I'm just kind of like talking to you without the mask right now, but I'll wear it. Time for some updates. Jerry has been sitting on my head for the past 2 weeks, 3 weeks now, basically ever since the 12 launched with Apple, that I need to upgrade my phone. I've had my current phone for about 3.5 years. Basically whenever the 10 launched, I got it. And I'm facing a few like defect issues with the phone right now, so I'm so strange sometimes I feel, because everyone around me keeps upgrading their things and then sits on my head to upgrade my things, but like I don't really care as long as मेरा phone ठीक चल रहा है. मुझे ऐसे कोई urge नहीं आती है जाके एक नया phone खरीदने की. मेरे कोई ऐसे like random शौक नहीं है. काम के लिए है, so yeah, I usually just land up upgrading whatever I need basis work. But we're currently on our way to Maple. I want to figure out what I'm going to get for my current phone. I'm one of those people that always wants to make sure what I'm going to get in resale, and then basis that figure my plan of action, because you know your girl likes to plan a little bit in advance.
The only thing that you shouldn't be upgrading is your husband.
उसका upgrade मिल भी नहीं सकता because I got the world's best husband.
Oh.
Don't kiss me with your mask. गाड़ी की चाबी से. By the way, look at the car we currently have. Wait, I need to like fill you in on the details of this car. This car costs almost over 1 crore rupees. And it is one of the sweetest things I have ever driven. It is the Mercedes EQC. I will not tell you much about this right now, but let's just say it has my heart. It is not mine. I'm about to open it and we're gonna go driving in it. I am gonna be telling you more about this car simply because I'm in love with it. But abhi ke liye jaake main drive karti hu. Okay, so we're at Linking Road, Maple right now. Let's go and figure this out. Okay, so that's my phone. That's the Mini. That's the 12, that's the 12 Pro, and that's the phone I currently have my eyes on, which is the 12 Pro Max. Ooh, that's gorgeous. Not too big, but big. That's your phone, that's my phone. Okay, so we are back home and we went ahead and made the purchase. The reselling for my phone was coming up to the same everywhere we had spoken to, as well as at Maple. So we did a buyback. I actually want to film like an Instagram reel of this unboxing. I'm so excited for it. We have the 256 GB 12 Pro Max in graphite over here. And on the way home, I even stopped at this little local store in the Chroma Mall at Linking Road and bought myself this space drop proof silicone clear mobile case. I didn't want to spend like 5,000-6,000 rupees at Apple for a case, so I landed up paying like $750 for this because why not? And I'm just gonna go ahead and unbox this. I'm gonna film a reel, so let me show you how that works out. Okay, so this vlog is like in parts, but I'm trying to share different and all aspects of my life on the actually interesting days. Basically, in the middle, I stopped vlogging for a couple of continuous days because my father was rushed to the emergency a few nights ago, and he's fine now, alhamdulillah. It was a scare. There are certain health problems that he does have, but at that night, he thought he was having a heart attack, and it wasn't. Alhamdulillah, it wasn't. And we're taking care of his health, and he's taking care of his health too. But because of that, it's just everything's been all over. Today I sat and filmed after a while. I hadn't sat and filmed since a few days because every time I thought today I will sit and film and be productive, something or the other was constantly happening. You guys obviously also know that we lost a very close friend of ours. I posted about it a few days ago or a couple of weeks ago. I'm not sure when this vlog will go up. But let's just say last couple of weeks have been a whirlpool. My papa is healthy and fine now, which is just alhamdulillah for that. And today actually I was supposed to go out for a dinner date with my dad to Ministry of Crab because him and I love like just crabs so much, and he has never been, and I've been invited by Ministry of Crab, but since he cannot eat crabs for a while anymore, my brother is coming along with me, and my brother also loves crabs, so it's date night with Bhai instead. And yeah, I'm in my night suit right now. I changed into pajamas. I still have my glam on, but I'll change into an outfit in some time and head out. Hi YFam, welcome to this vlog. As the title may have already told you, this is going to be glimpses of various different days of my life. I actually started to film 2 different times, different weeks of my life, and some of you might know that I lost a close friend of mine a few weeks ago, and just a couple of weeks ago my father had a health scare. I don't want to get into details, I don't want to get into any of that right now, but because of which I wasn't really able to complete filming either of these. But I realized that there was a lot of really interesting days that I think I managed to pack in while I was actively vlogging. So in today's video, I'm going to give you a glimpse into a few different days of my life, and if you like what you see, I'll try and do this more regularly, which is little snippets of interesting things that have happened across many days. I wish that this idea wasn't birthed from the unfortunate things that have happened in and around my life recently, but here I am trying to do my best and making content for you. So I hope you like it, and if you do, don't forget to tell me in the comments. Keep watching.